Hi, my name is Dr. Todd Rowe, and I'm here to talk about the homeopathic medicine Bichromicum, or Potassium Bichromate. Before I start, I wanted to say that nothing in this material is meant to diagnose, treat, cure, or prescribe for any illness. Please consult your homeopathic practitioner for further treatment options. The substance Potassium Bichromate is a beautiful rock that's orangish red in color. The abbreviation that you'll see on bottles is Bi, and it contains both potassium and chromium, both of which are essential elements in the body, although chromium is more of a trace essential element. Bichromicum is used for sinus infections. It's probably our #1 remedy for sinus infections. It also is used for bronchitis or coughs, gastritis or stomach aches, and laryngitis or hoarseness. One of the main things to keep in mind about Bichromicum is that all of the discharges tend to be very sticky and gluey. Oftentimes you can pull them like taffy. Bichromicum patients also typically are very chilly and worse from cold and damp. Oftentimes they describe pain in their body in one small spot, like on the forehead or sinuses. Also, their pains can come on periodically or alternate with other symptoms in the body. So, for example, they can have breathing problems alternating with stomach problems. The classic time aggravation is 2 to 5 a.m., and their pains tend to come and go quite suddenly. Often they have headaches that are associated with their allergic symptoms or allergic headaches. Their nose discharge, as I mentioned, is very thick, very stringy, very gluey, and oftentimes they'll experience pain at the root of the nose. They'll also often have yellow-green discharge, and it also is a useful remedy for nasal polyps. With their symptoms, oftentimes the tongue is quite red or even glossy, and they can have a sensation of a hair on the tongue. And with their sinus problems and allergy problems, they're often coughing up thick mucus from the throat. There can be a hoarse voice or a deep voice, and the hoarseness can be so strong that it ends up in laryngitis. Also very useful for bronchitis or coughs acutely that typically are fairly productive, again with this thick stringy mucus, and the coughs are worse typically in the morning. Bichromicum also affects the stomach, and it can be useful for gastritis or coughs associated with nausea and vomiting up of stringy mucus. It's also a useful remedy for colitis or constipation alternating with diarrhea. You can order this remedy at AMCH.org, or if you're interested in learning more about this remedy and other acute care remedies, you can find out about our acute care program at acutecare@amch.org. Thank you.